Hello there, you guys. What is up? What is good? It's your boy Chris here, your boy Chrispy, and today we're coming back at you again with some Chrispy Plays Heavy Rain, the next episode. This is part se se 7? I don't know. I'll check back later. I don't know. I'll probably have to look so I don't fuck up with like that one episode of The Walking Dead where I said that it was like 7 or 6 or something. But not that. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right back in. If I don't have anything else, I don't think I have anything else to say. I'm, short on intros today. But the cool thing is that we're actually home alone for this weekend. So, me and my brother. So, I might have enough time to do more videos and shit. So, look forward to that. So yeah, probably 2 Heavy Rain videos today, and I guess 2 Walking Dead videos. And other than that, or who knows, maybe I'll upload one more Heavy Rain video tomorrow. Just because, I've been slacking a little bit lately. So, just to make it up, I guess. But anyways, without further ado, let's just get into this at Sleazy Place. Let's just jump in. Also, I may be doing some Destiny videos. I've been playing Destiny 1 on the PS3 and Destiny 2 on the Xbox One. And so far they're looking like pretty good, solid games. So let me know if you think I should play through that or not. So last time I think we left off, we fucked around, but now we're just going to go get straight down to business, and we're just going to go knock on Lauren's door. This one right here.
Lauren Winter. Sorry, mine's my appointment.
I'm not here, bitch.
Wait. It's $50.
Fuck
I
that.
don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Go back to frickin' high school. Is that goddamn like metal cross?
You got exactly 10 minutes when the alarm rings. It's okay?
No, I'm good. What the fuck? Okay.
You should take your clothes off. We ain't gone all day. Actually, I'm not a customer.
Oof.
Shit, a cop. I should have known. What do you want? A freebie? Is that it?
Nah.
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the origami killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about her.
Seems reasonable.
I already told the police all I know and I have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
I mean, shit, I bought your time. Commence, compensate, commence.
The killer is walking around free as we speak. He'll kill again if he's not arrested. John is dead, so what difference does it make?
I mean, you could save another fucking kid. Persist.
There'll be other victims if we don't stop the killer. You have got to help me, Lauren. You may know something that can aid the investigation.
Help you? There's nothing you can do. My son's dead. Do you hear me? He's dead.
Oh, I'm sorry. Jesus, Trick. Trick?
If we don't find the killer, there'll be other mothers who find their son's body on a deserted wasteland. But you're right. Why should you care? It's not your problem anymore, right?
I think that if you try and like buy her, then it's just fucking.
What do you want to know?
I want to know. Let's see. Disappearance, suspect, Johnny.
Did you suspect anyone after he disappeared? I meet a lot of pretty shady characters in my line of work. Sure, I thought of it at first. But it didn't seem to make any sense.
Almost 4 minutes or 5 minutes.
I don't believe any of my
they hoes. So, Johnny's home disappearance. Johnny?
Tell me about Johnny.
Johnny,
What
that's
kind of
fine.
kid was he?
Johnny was really a good boy. Sometimes he fought with other kids who called me a kiddo. In his own way, I think he understood what was going on.
Aww.
Want one?
No thanks, I quit.
That's brave.
Shit, I didn't even know that we could, like, walk around and shit. Ooh, okay. Johnny's home, Johnny's father.
Tell me about Johnny's father.
A loser without a job who liked to beat me after a few drinks.
Oof.
He left the day Johnny disappeared. I ain't seen him since. Coward. Good thing he left.
Yeah, he could be dead, but yeah. Disappearance.
How did your son disappear?
He used to go play with the neighborhood kids after school. It was pouring down something awful that day. I'll never forget it.
Damn.
All his friends came home around 5. All except him.
Shit.
Time's up, Mr. Shelley. I hope you got what you wanted. Now get out of here.
Shit. God damn. Just chill, okay? Fuck. Jesus. How about no? How about I just fucking like roam around and shit? What's this? Yeah, that's rain and shit. Yeah, I forgot. It's been a while since I played this game, you know? Like, I actually sat down and played. What the hell was this? Is that the business card?
But if you remember anything, the smallest detail, give me a call.
Can I like go in? No, I can't go in there. So now do we just like fucking like leave or whatever? Shit. What the shit? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Lauren!
Holy shit, dude. Don't fucking die yet.
Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
Hey, asshole, what the hell are you doing? Wait, what the
Sorry,
hell?
pal, but I really wanted to see ya.
Oh, okay, yeah, no. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. Get your ass out.
What do you want, asshole?
Hey, don't fuck with me, bro.
Is everything all right?
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser.
Whatcha?
You again? If you're looking for trouble, you found it. I'm gonna beat the shit out of you.
Oh yeah, we'll see about that, bitch. Look who got the sheet beat out of their ass, bitch. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Control up and down. Come on. Okay. Ugh. Right in your fucking face, bitch. Get the fuck out here, boy. Alright. Okay. Okay. We don't need no cops. We don't dial 911. Not up in these states, bitch. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Shit. Okay. Okay. Beat the fuck out that nigga. Oh, shit. Okay. Beat the fuck out of his ass. Come on. Ha! Okay. Yeah. That's what's up, bro. Come on. Here we go. Hua! Hua! Huh, watch out! Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Get the fuck out of here. Asshole. Motherfucker.
I'll see you again, asshole.
Yeah, okay, whatever you say, bitch.
Are you alright?
Bitch, I almost died!
Better him, I guess. Who is he?
An ex-client who thinks he owns me.
Damn.
He was getting violent and I told him I didn't want to see him anymore.
Well, you should be careful. The phone will lead me back. Sorry about the mess.
Mr. Shelby,
Yeah.
thanks.
He's like, whatever. Do we get the trophies? Or I think I earned a lot of these. I don't know, I think my original playthroughs were on like, fucking, I don't know what it was. Didn't we get a trophy for any of that shit? Because I'm pretty sure that's my first time actually fully playing through the game. Before I was playing on different profiles or some shit. I don't know, what all trophies do I have in this game? Not many, I don't think. I like Nam and Jaden. He's probably my second favorite character out of the four. My first favorite, I guess, is like, oh, White Knight. I think that's where you like beat Troy. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. And Private Eye, I think, is the one where like you brought Lauren to talk about her son or whatever, which I did. So if I didn't already get it, then it would be there. I'm pretty sure I should get it. I don't think I've gotten this far yet. You got like two to 3 minutes left, so we can like get our little introduction here, and then we'll have to go ahead and stop. Up there, on the table. Oh yeah, he's a drug addict. Like I do drugs and shit. I actually looked it up, and tryptophan, that's the little shit that he drinks. Apparently it's not actually a real drug, but who knows? With all the crazies out there, it could be someday. Man, this dude's ending sucked. I don't know if I told you guys that, but what the shit. Okay then. Yeah, hold up, wait.
Reporters. Already.
Okay. Hey, don't interrupt my thoughts. Fucking bitch.
Noted that name somewhere. What was it? Blake. Lieutenant Carter Blake. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that asshole.
My hands are trembling. I gotta keep my act together. At least for now.
Okay, let's see.
Goddamn, Ray. It hasn't stopped pouring since I arrived. I'm really in love.
Yeah, okay. Was that fucking sarcasm,
Silver
bitch?
section officer, please step back. Agent Norman Jaden, FBI.
Yeah, this
Got a
part
badge
comes
or
from the
something,
fucking...
Mr. Tate? Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Alright, hold up. So we're gonna go ahead and pause right there. Jaden's about to do his signature move that he does in his little fucking intro sequence. Like, for whenever you're looking at this game on, like, the home screen and shit. Like, it just shows him, like, pulling out his badge at this scene. So, yeah. That was, Heavy Rain. Chrispy plays Heavy Rain. I forget what part it is. Probably part, like, 7 or some shit. So, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and check. And then, if not, I'm just gonna go ahead and post this. So, yeah, not much else to say. We'll pick up with this later today, and probably one more episode tomorrow. So yeah, thanks as usual, guys, and I'll see ya. Bye.